Here's a cool adult and kid-friendly activity.
We were recently eating a yellow dragon fruit.
We love it because it's the sweetest of the dragon fruits. We decided to plant our own from its seeds.
First, we washed it and strained it to get all of the sticky stuff off. Then you take a paper towel and you wet it with some filtered water or some mineral water, and you add the seeds. Then you're going to put this wet paper towel into a Ziploc bag and make sure that there is air in it.
It should feel quite puffy. And then you're going to put it on the windowsill where you have light.
This is what it'll look like after 1 week.
How cool is it that you can regrow fruit just by taking some seeds and putting it in a Ziploc baggie with a wet paper towel? I am constantly amazed.
If you leave it in the paper towel for 3 weeks, this is what it'll look like. All of these sprouts have become so much stronger.
At this point, I had already taken some out. That's why there's holes all over the page. So let's go back and see how I planted it the first time.
I filled a clay pot with soil and started to plant these tiny little saplings. Since the roots were already growing into the paper towel, I didn't mind using that and just planting it. Once I was satisfied with how many I'd planted, I went ahead and fed it some water. We use Spring Mountain Valley water. Dragon fruits are actually a cactus, so you're only supposed to water it once every 2 weeks. I put it on a south-facing window where it would get light every day, and I actually watered it once a week. And this is what it looks like after 1 month. I hope this inspires you to build your own indoor garden. Let me know how it goes in the comments.